Welcome to Season 6, Episode 3 of the Blending with Henry show. Let's stay healthy, you guys. My plant-based recipe I created called the Henry Healthy V12 Smoothie will jumpstart your metabolism, helps maintain healthy skin, and it will keep the doctor away. Now, I'm going to show you this soon in the video. Breville has been hitting some home runs lately, you guys, and they were kind enough to send me their latest blending machine called the Super Q. Now, it's very powerful, has noise suppression technology, an improved cooling system, and is vacuum compatible with the optional Vac Q pump. The Super Q comes with everything in the box you need to get blending, including a 68-ounce blending jug, a 24-ounce single-serve blending cup with its own set of blades, and a travel lid, a recipe book, tamper, and a scraper tool. To say this machine is beautiful is an understatement. It has a hard-body, high-polished stainless steel frame with a stainless steel speed control that is sure to complement the most stated chef's kitchen. It has a built-in cord wrap that simply pulls right out, which makes it more convenient than other blending machines with the cord wrap on the bottom. Unlike cheap blenders like Ninja, the Super Q has metal gears for the drive socket to aid in longevity of the machine. The 68-ounce blending jug is a very thick construction, easy to read measurement markings, and an assist pull ring for removing the lid, redesigned stainless steel blades, and metal gears with a metal retainer nut. A welcome addition is the included 24-ounce single-serve blending cup for drinks on the go, and its blade system also is driven by metal gears. It has a new picture recognition feature that affects the presets and optimization based on the vessel being used. Now with the 68-ounce jug, you get Pulse, Smoothie. Now there's a green smoothie, frozen dessert, and soup. Then you can also get a cleaning function and a timer to preset your own blending time. And you also get a variable speed control that shows you types of blends based on the speed. And you can see this on the LCD screen. Using the 24-ounce single-serve blending cup, you get these three presets that light up, and they are optimized for single servings. Using the timer function, you simply dial in the time that you want to blend for your own recipes. Now this helps prevent over-blending. The Vac Q vacuum pump can be handy depending on the recipe. Now it's smaller than most other pumps I've seen, and it sits right on top of the jug. Now it's only usable for select recipes, you guys, so I'm glad Breville made it an optional purchase. Let's go ahead and make that tasty Henry Healthy V12 smoothie. Now I created this recipe myself, you guys, because with the popularity of green smoothies, we tend to forget other essential veggies that are important in our diet. The Henry Healthy V12 smoothie has 12 ingredients, and much of which are already in your refrigerator, you guys. I have everything carefully measured out for the best flavor. So here I have fresh tomatoes, celery, cucumbers with the skin on, green bell peppers, a fresh bunch of parsley. Here on the other side I have my root vegetables of parsnips, beets, and carrots. And then I have red bell pepper, fresh lime juice, kosher salt, and red wine vinegar. Alright, let's add the ingredients to blend, but we're going to do it in supersonic speed. Now I'm using the vacuum pump because these are fibrous whole vegetables that create foam due to incorporating air during blending. Now it takes about 1 minute to remove the air from the jug. The vacuum pump uses 4 AA alkaline batteries, which are included. Alright, I'm going to remove the pump, and I'm going to start on low and gradually increase to the highest speed for about 50 seconds. Now you can make this recipe without the vacuum pump, but vacuuming removes the air for a more dense and flavorful smoothie. Okay, I'm going to go and remove the air before pouring. Now just to be clear, you guys, the Henry Healthy V12 smoothie is not this. My smoothie is much tastier, it's fresh, it's 100% plant-based, no preservatives, and I know what I put in it. If you're serving this to a guest, you can garnish it with a celery stick, a straw, of course, so you can drink it, and a slice of lime. The Henry Healthy V12 Smoothie. If you want to get all your essential veggies in your diet the easy and delicious way, this is it. You've got to try it. The Henry Healthy V12 Smoothie has the tasty notes of a drinkable gazpacho. I've got a bonus recipe for you guys, my peach cobbler protein shake. Now I've been using the Blenditup protein powder for my pre and post workout shakes for years, you guys. Now you've seen this at your local membership store, you know. Now why I like this protein is because it's a whey protein isolate, which is easy on the stomach. Now it's grass-fed, nut-free, gluten-free, and egg-free, all that good stuff, and it contains 24 grams of protein. Now it has a mild flavor, so it mixes easily with fruits. Now Blenditup also has a 100% vegan organic protein powder for those who have a stricter diet. Okay, ready to make the peach cobbler protein shake. So since we're using a single serve cup, you want to put your frozen ingredients in first, like the ice. And then your frozen peaches. And now, supersonic speed. I'm going to pulse it a few times first to break down the ingredients. So here's one of the downsides. The single serve feature only allows for 30 seconds of blending, requiring you to start it again if you need more time. Okay, it's all blended up. So I'm going to remove the blades first. Now I'm attaching the included spill-proof lid. Now it has a loop for carrying on the go, or you can loop your gym bag strap through it. It also has a flip top with a gasket to keep it from leaking. Alright, let's pour it up. All perfectly blended and smooth. You get that peach cobbler flavor without all the butter and sugar. Now, if your protein powder has no flavor, then add vanilla extract to enhance the peach cobbler flavor. And now I'm garnishing it with fresh ground nutmeg. Now, fresh ground offers the most powerful flavor. Now, of course, a straw so you can drink it. And you can make this with fresh or frozen peaches, you guys. I recommend frozen, so less ice is necessary. The Peach Cobbler Protein Shake, perfect for your pre or post workout. You've got to try it. If you want to try out the protein powder I use, click the Blenditup link to order it right below the video or on blendingwithhenry.com. The recipes for the Henry Healthy V12 Smoothie and the Peach Cobbler Protein Shake are linked below the video or on blendingwithhenry.com. So what are my thoughts on the new Breville Super Cube blender? First, it's a beautiful machine, bar none. Now I like how Breville incorporated its single serve boss to go into the Super Cube blender. Now I wasn't crazy about the limited blend time of 30 seconds. It's fine for mixing simple shakes, but if your recipes have frozen or other ingredients that need more blend time, restarting a blend may break down the structure of the recipe, causing it to be overblended. I like how it comes complete with all the essentials, including a scraper tool, which is useful for nut butters. The built-in core wrap that pulls from inside the machine is a feature every blender should offer. The vacuum accessory is a welcome option. Now while it was very useful for my recipe, it's limited to select recipes, which makes it better as an option. But at $99.95, it's pricey, so make sure it satisfies your blending needs before purchasing. The new noise suppression technology does make for quieter blending. Now while it is much quieter than its predecessor, the Breville Boss, it's not as quiet as the Vitamix Ascent A3500 based on my testing. But honestly you guys, none of these machines are quiet enough to keep your family from waking up during early morning blending. Now the Breville Super Cube blender sells for $499.95 USD with a 10-year warranty. And it comes with a great package, offers great features, and blends very well. There's not very much to dislike here. If you have a Breville kitchen, this will be a welcome addition. Alright you guys, the new year is starting out well for us. Just wait till you see what else I have in store for you. Now if you want to order any of the products shown in this video, click the links below. It supports Blending with Henry. I will see you all soon.